Hi, I'm Peter Fabricant. I'm a pediatric orthopedic surgeon here at the Lerner Children's Pavilion at Hospital for Special Surgery with some tips on keeping your kids active during the COVID crisis. So first of all, you have to schedule time, make it a routine. Kids love routine, so make it a routine in your house to build in active time. That's first. Second, make space. So if you live in the suburbs, it's easy to get outside, go to the yard, go for a walk, keep your social distance. Much harder in New York City. So in the city, you may need to move some furniture out to the periphery of the room, make some floor space. You really don't need much, about 6x6 or 8x8, and just make sure that it's safe, no sharp corners or edges. And if you can put a rug or a padded floor down, that's ideal. Third thing is what exercises to do. So pretty much any body weight exercise is safe for kids as long as they're doing the technique appropriately. So body weight, high intensity interval training exercises such as planks, air squats, mountain climbers, air jacks, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, planks are all safe for kids as long as they're done correctly. And so those are probably the best exercises to do and don't require really anything in the way of equipment. Also, if you have a spin bike at home or any sort of other exercise equipment, that's fine as well. Fourth, really important, have fun with it. So you can make it a challenge. You can call other kids and their parents and challenge them to a workout. You can sign up for live stream workouts. A lot of high intensity interval training gyms throughout the city and the tri-state area are doing webcast and web streaming, and have fun with it. Challenge their friends, make it a competition, challenge other parents, and stay active every day and just be safe. And a bonus tip for parents of really young kids who they themselves want to get their workout on but have a small baby at home, use the baby as weight. You can do air squats while you're burping the baby. You can put the baby in a front or back carrier, go up and down the stairs in your building. Those are good ways to kind of stay active while you're also making sure you're taking care of the baby. So hopefully these tips are useful for you. Stay safe, and we're here at HSS. If you need us, give us a call anytime.